If you're an online shopping fan, you need to hear this before clicking buy on Lellison.com, because not every bargain is what it seems. Let's break down the real risks. As of late 2025, Lellison.com is raising more eyebrows than trust. Here's why. There are barely any real reviews on major sites like Trustpilot or SiteJabber. Big red flag. Plus, their business details are practically invisible. Now, what else stands out? Lellison shares all the usual warning signs of fly-by-night shops. AI-generated product photos, mystery addresses, and a Contact Us page that goes nowhere. That's about as reassuring as a locked door, with the key missing. So, if you're feeling brave, watch for these: super cheap prices, cookie-cutter website design, and customer support that either ghosts you or sounds like a robot. Quick recap. Stick to secure payment methods, double-check the URL, hunt for independent reviews, and always run scam checks on new sites.